Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a close look at a two-wheeler that's shaking up the EV market with its futuristic design, smart features, and practical performance, the Tata Elastic Scooter. Yes, you heard that right, Tata has entered the electric scooter space, and they've done it with style, innovation, and a surprisingly refined touch. At first glance, the Tata Elastic doesn't look like your typical e-scooter. The design language here is sharp, urban, and distinctively modern. It has a sporty yet minimalistic vibe, very aerodynamic, with sleek lines running from front to back. The front end features a uniquely shaped LED headlamp setup, and it integrates beautifully with the curved body panels. It's futuristic without going overboard, something that fits right into modern cityscapes. The color options are vibrant and youthful, and you can really tell Tata is targeting both young commuters and eco-conscious professionals. There's a matte finish variant that gives it a stealthy edge, while brighter colors bring out the playful, energetic character of the scooter. The 12-inch alloy wheels add some muscle to the stance, and the overall silhouette is compact yet premium. From every angle, the Elastic feels like it's built for the future, and for the people who want to ride into it in style. Moving on to the interior, or more accurately, the rider interface, the Tata Elastic takes a tech-heavy approach. The digital instrument cluster is large and crisp, offering turn-by-turn navigation, battery status, speed, range, and connectivity features all in one place. It's Bluetooth-enabled, so you can sync it with your smartphone via the Tata Mobility app, allowing access to ride stats, location tracking, remote lock-unlock, and even software updates over the air. The handlebar layout is clean, with backlit switches that are easy to use even in low-light conditions. There's a dedicated toggle for ride modes, horn, lights, and indicators. One standout feature is the haptic touchpad on the left side of the handlebar. It lets you switch music tracks or answer calls while riding, without taking your hand off the bar. It's a small touch, but incredibly thoughtful. Under the seat, there's a good amount of storage. You can fit a half-face helmet or your daily groceries with ease. There's also a USB charging port and a hidden compartment for your phone or wallet. The seat itself is wide, supportive, and comfortable enough for longer commutes. And yes, there's a pillion grab rail and footrests that are solidly built and neatly integrated into the frame. Now let's talk about performance, and this is where the Tata Elastic really surprises you. Powered by a 4.5 kW hub motor, the scooter delivers instant torque and smooth acceleration. It can go from 0 to 40 km per hour in under 4 seconds, making it ideal for zipping through city traffic. Top speed is electronically limited to 80 km per hour, which feels more than sufficient for daily use. The Elastic offers 3 riding modes: Eco, City, and Sport. In Eco, you get the best battery efficiency, perfect for those longer trips when you need to stretch your range. City mode balances power and economy for daily rides, while Sport unleashes the full potential of the motor, giving you punchy acceleration and more responsive throttle control. The scooter uses a lithium-ion battery pack rated at 3.2 kWh, and in ideal conditions, you're looking at a real-world range of around 120 km on a single charge. It supports fast charging too. You can juice it up from 0 to 80% in just about 65 minutes with a compatible DC charger. On a standard home socket, it'll take around 4 to 5 hours for a full charge. Handling is another area where the Elastic excels. The suspension setup, telescopic, forks up front and dual shocks at the rear, strikes a great balance between comfort and control. It glides over speed bumps and potholes without feeling wobbly or unsettled. The braking system consists of disc brakes at both ends with CBS combined braking system, which ensures solid stopping power and safety even in panic situations. Now let's get to the pricing. The Tata Elastic is priced aggressively, starting at 1.10 lakh rupees ex-showroom. That places it right in the middle of the competitive electric scooter segment, going up against the likes of the Ola S1 Air, Ather 450S, and TV's iQube. But where Tata really wins is in the value-to-feature ratio. You're getting a stylish scooter, a tech-rich ride experience, strong performance, and the trust of Tata's extensive service network, all bundled into one. There are optional add-ons too, including a performance upgrade kit, extra storage box, and an extended battery warranty plan. Tata has also announced a battery leasing program for people who want to reduce upfront costs, a move that could really make EV adoption easier for the masses. So, should you buy the Tata Elastic? If you're looking for an electric scooter that blends smart technology, great design, usable performance, and reliable brand support, this one deserves a serious look. Tata has not just entered the EV scooter market, they've arrived with intent. The Elastic feels refined, futuristic, and practical. And most importantly, it feels ready. That's it for today's detailed review of the Tata Elastic Scooter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more auto content just like this. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you consider the Tata Elastic for your next scooter? Let's talk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let me know if you want a version with background music suggestions, B-roll ideas, or if you'd like the same script translated into Hindi or any